Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore images in compliance for eBay item specifics, complete guide step by step clearly. To start restoring images for your eBay listings, begin by accessing your eBay account. Navigate to the selling section from your account dashboard. Select listings to view all your active listings. Identify the item for which you want to restore images. Click on the item to open the listing details. In the listing editor, scroll down to the image section. Here, you will see existing images and options to add new ones. To remove any broken images, click on the image and select Remove. Next, upload new images by clicking on the Add Photos button. Choose high-quality images from your device that showcase the item clearly. Once the images are uploaded, ensure they are properly positioned. Review your images to confirm they meet eBay's requirements for clarity and size. After confirming the images, proceed to the Item Specifics section. This section is crucial for compliance with eBay's item specifics requirements. Carefully fill out all required fields in the item specifics. Make sure to include relevant details like brand, size, color, and condition. If prompted, add any additional item specifics that are necessary for compliance. Review all entered information for accuracy to avoid potential issues. After completing both the image and item specific sections, save your changes. You can click on Revise or Update to finalize the listing. Check the listing again to ensure all images and specifics appear correctly. Your item should now be compliant with eBay's standards. This improves visibility and increases the chances of selling your item effectively. Remember to regularly review and update your listings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.